Hey guys, here I am, Saturday scrapbooking, sort of, kind of, a little bit like a grab 5 from our Miss Inky Quill. Okay, so my plan is to do, I've already cut these pages obviously, papers, is to use this punch, which I originally got for making cards, but I have really fallen off with doing that. And I already punched it out in a silver because I wanted to make sure it would punch out okay. I've got my alphas here, my gold hearts, and my red ones there. I think I'm going to use some of this or these. One or the other, I'm not sure which way that's going to go, but it was kind of in the paint-ish realm. And last but not least, my sticker books. I've got some sticker books here. And I just got this one from Hobby Lobby. And it's for the bottle cap things, but my little brain said maybe these would work on there. So yeah, maybe I'll break out one of those. Nonetheless, to keep in line with the punch, I do want to punch the pictures and make them round. Not sure why. Oh no, I think I'm going to leave one edge. That's kind of neat. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this young lady out because her face is halfway gone already. There we go. And I'm going to cut this young man's face over here. Or girl, I didn't really see who that was. Anywho, let's see. Go this way with it. Okay. Now, one of the big plans I was thinking about with my sticker books, and I think it was Miss Adele, she did this as well. She kind of picked the block ones out to layer her background with. These like bigger ones that you would use in your planner. And I thought, oh, that's a pretty cool idea. I think my favorite part is I don't have to add adhesive. It's already there. Ooh, black and white ones right there. Let's see what we got. And kind of doing this a little different than normal with keeping you guys out. Kind of out. That's cool. Oh. Those are words. We'll hold off on the word stickers. Ooh, what about those? Okay, and kind of struggled because it's very obvious it's blue and red on their outfits, but I also have learned that it's okay to if the colors are just a little bit different. So don't know if I really like that one up there. Just do your thing. I think I'm gonna move it down. These do remove pretty easily, probably because it's planner for planners. In case you don't want something somewhere. Or if you're like me and you like to put everything on Cricut. Okay. Now, what do we want to put up there? Could do polka dots. Cricket as the day is long. Good gracious. There, that's better. Let's see what Miss Holmes has. Oh, that's right. I wanted to do some of the flowers. Where'd it go? I think I'm going to go ahead and adhere these down because I'm ready. There we go. All right. Alrighty. Now, 3 of these is perfect. Okay. Now, I think that's going to be everything from these books. And we want to add hello. Okay, I'm going to use the alpha on this too. I'll put you on pause for just a second. Okay, sorry. I did put hello lovely down here with the alphas and the punch. And busted out this little pack because I love it. I wanted to use this You Were Meant to Shine, but I think I'm feeling like that's going to be too much. Too wordy. So I added that silver because I got the gold little ones coming in. And I think I'm done with, I'm not going to use any of these bottle caps. I think I'm going to go ahead and sprinkly inkly. Oops. Okay, let's just go for it, I guess. Okay. Now let's do some sprinkles. Oh, well, do we want to do, we might want to do dots, huh? Let's do dots with sprinkles. Oh, you know what? I think I will move each one over. These are pretty small, so I don't think I'm going to be able to dictate where it goes. As long as it's not on our face, I'm going to say it'll be okay. It's weird because even though I put the sheet down, I will still find it all over the place. It's crazy. Sorry. Okay. Can't touch it too much because that stuff doesn't dry real fast when it's on the picture. No, you didn't. Gosh, I'm sorry, guys. It's so long because I didn't plan out a whole lot here. See, some of these are pink, so I don't want to use those. I don't even want to use this gray one because that seems like it's introducing a new color. Okay, alright, I'm going to stop there. Anyway, hope you guys had a good day. Hope you're having a great Saturday and getting a little crafty time in. Sorry, I can't quite get my lighting down for some reason. Anyway, have a great day, and I guess I won't see you guys until after the new year. So have a great and safe New Year. See you guys later. Bye.